What's up, people of YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got another special video for you guys. Today we're gonna do part 2 of the camera tutorial. I know it's been a minute, so I really want to get this started and I'm excited. Today I'm gonna show you how I got these pictures, and the model today is gonna be Jose Flores and we're gonna use his truck. So yep, and roll the intro. Shutter speed, if you don't know already, shutter speed is the opening and the closing of the lens. It's the speed of it, of how it opens and closes. The faster the speed, the faster it opens and closes. The slower, it's gonna stay open longer. If you want it open and closing faster, you want the shutter speed to go up, and when you do this, you're gonna capture movement. So say this truck behind me, when it's driving down the road, we're gonna capture it when it's going like 10 miles per hour down the road, and it's not gonna look blurry like this. Now, I took this picture of him driving his truck, and I know it's extra. I could have just had him just sitting out in his truck, like looking out, but this is an example so you know, like you could take a picture while something is moving and driving down the road, and you can capture all the detail like if it was still. This is great because you can get more detail in the lighting and the details of everything and the colors of your picture. Now, usually when people use a slower aperture speed, it's because they want to take pictures of the stars or picture of the landscape, like environment. This picture right here, I set my shutter speed for 10 seconds. Which it won't finish taking a picture for 10 seconds. In this picture, I wanted to capture the lights of his truck. I wanted to show the motion of his truck so you could tell he's driving at night and you see the lights moving in the night. Now, keep in mind, if you have a slow shutter speed, you want some things to be still, because if you don't, things will become blurry. So if you use a slow shutter speed, always use a tripod. A tripod is perfect for taking pictures with a slow shutter speed, but you don't always need a tripod. You can also use anything that's around you where you can set your camera up. But I think a tripod is more convenient. For the fast shutter speed, you don't really need anything. You can just start shooting. You can take pictures of people running, people jumping, or anything moving really fast, and you can capture all the detail, and you don't have to worry about blurriness. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and this is part 2 of the camera tutorial. Part 3 will be ISO. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.